Asante mantemuno atede efrise womwanyane yese mensi makumakodu no metre 15 district a wasa mantam nimno ena wo benya chefa a eye ayasabia baako mensi baako metre 1 district 1 hospital why ne ka asasemi na hefa so no ka no emonchiremoni
Ghana mampanyin aprobo a wahye ewo Asante mantam no ode atuja se seba ayaresabia wo pese wosisi ewo mensi nimu dia eye mensi dunum ewo Asante mantam na sabrede aban de won agu nkrata so a wo benya ayaresabia ahodo ewo ho nisa nti omanfo enhwe na wonhye ne nso wode sa ensemi atudwa ebra wo hia nananom ene MPP ekitafo bi ewo Asante mantam menhia
agenda 111 Yareba COVID mayehu nyansa bebre suane ma bebre frem bako and say health facilities yapomodie nhihye ho awo na and sheda nyade many parts of the country any district hospitals to begin with it's me can't to say Afimu ayebe yebabe shasia for the next 12 months. I see 111 hospitals in Ghana across the country. No any agenda 111. At this time, no 101 districts. Yenyina won sasi shishaye nyina ababedu won cry. Every district hospitals no call actually asasi so ayebabesi hospitals nti enche and also say babe shase na santimemu there you were 15 districts district hospitals eba enibi adanse asokwa efija kwa Prez north Akufo-Addo southwest Amansie south Asokore Mampong municipal Etwimambua Bieja north district Bosome Freho district Obuasi east district Central district efija kwa Prez south district Akufo-Addo southeast district Asokwa municipal Etwimambua district Krofom district and Etwimakwa district. So 15 districts are going to get district hospitals in the course of the next 12 months so that we have a full coverage of this.